Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Yakami France Company. In today's video, I want to talk about clothing skincare routine. Most of you are using skincare products, but you're not getting the results which you expect those products to give you. So the problem might not be the products, but it might be the skincare routine which you use before applying these products. So I have divided this video into two parts. So this is the part one. We are going to be more concentrated on morning routine. Then the second video will be more concentrated on evening routine because you needed to. Okay, let's start. First of all, the first step, and that is the major step in the skincare routine, especially the morning routine, that is cleansing. Why do we cleanse? When you check on this YouTube channel, Yakami France Company, you'll find that there is a video I made about cleansers. So you can go and check it out and see what I talked about, the cleansers, types of the cleansers, the skin they work on, different skin types. But before using this cleanser, you have to know the cleanser you're using. Is it the better one for your skin type? Okay, you're oily person, use a cleanser which favors your oily skin. You're dry person, use a cleanser which favors your dry skin. Your combined person, a person with a combination skin, use a cleanser which fits that skin type. Your normal, use their normal cleansers. Okay, like for example this one, it is Bioderma Sebio. Okay, it is a cleanser for oily people. Okay, there is also this one, Triple. It is an micellar water, Neutrogena. Okay, used by sensitive people and combined people. There is this CeraVe, used by sensitive, combined, and normal people. And also, people with dry skin, they can use it. We also have this Neutrogena Anti-Buto Gel Nettoyer. This one is a gel cleanser. Okay. When I said about gel cleansers in the other video, it is made for people with oily skin. So why do we cleanse? Cleansing helps to remove excessive oil, which builds up overnight, helps to clean the skin pores, helps to refresh the skin, preparing it for the skincare products you're going to put in during your morning session. And also, it helps to improve the circulation of the blood. You know, when the skin is overclogged, the blood doesn't move well. That's why you get pimples. Another thing, cleansing helps to remove dirt, especially those people who use makeup. Cleansing helps to remove those extra dirt, and also helps to remove any impurity from the skin. So that is those are some of the benefits for cleansing. Then the second part of cleansing, it is to use toner. Yeah, there are some cleansers which have two in one. They cleanse at the same time they tone. Why do we use toner? First of all, toner helps to balance the skin pH. You will check out that video I talked about toner. It is on Yakami France Company. You can check it after this one. It talks about toner. It helps to balance the skin pH, and also it helps to remove the extra dirt which failed to be removed during cleansing. Okay, so after cleansing, you apply the toner. After toning, then you get your serum. The benefits of using the serum, it is to treat, meaning they not only work on the upper layers of the skin, but they work on the under layers of the skin, deep in the skin. Okay, I talked about all of this in on my video about cleansers. We have dermis, we have epidermis. So you get your serum. I don't know the serum, but this one, it is a mixer. It is untouched. People with the black spot, depending on the problem you have on your skin, if it is hyperpigmentation, if it is dark spot, you should use a cleanser with a purpose, not to just, you should use a serum with a purpose, not to just use anyhow. Okay, this, it is for dark spot. We also have this, it's also a serum. Then after applying your serum, you will see that it will dissolve into your skin. And then another step will be to apply your sunscreen. Yes, why I say sunscreen? Some people will say you put it on the top of the product and what? After you put on the top of the moisturizer. Now this is a CSN sunscreen. So after putting the serum, you apply the sunscreen first. Why? Because putting it on the top, it helps to prevent the sun from reaching the inner layers of the skin or on the skin. So it is advisable to put it first before putting a moisturizer. But vice versa, you can do what is quicker for you. If it is to put the sunscreen first, it is okay. If it is to put the moisturizer first, it is okay. But you should apply a sunscreen. Then the last is to get a moisturizer. I don't know whatsoever moisturizer you use, but it should be lightweight. There are some moisturizers which can clog the skin pores. Which can clog, blocking the skin pores, leading to breakouts, meaning they are heavier. So you should also get a face cream which is lightweight. Now we have this Nivea. Yeah, it is for anti-age. We have this vitamin C, B-Face. It is also a good moisturizer. We have this Pierre François Bedon Balm. It is also a good moisturizer. You can use any other moisturizer, but it has to be a moisturizer. Also have this mixer. So those are some of the morning routine you should do before applying your skincare products. When I say skincare products, I talk about the last two, sunscreen and moisturizers. Okay, you first cleanse. After cleansing, you tone. After toning, you apply your serum. Okay, after applying your serum, you put your sunscreen. After putting the sunscreen, you put the moisturizer. Okay, or after putting the moisturizer, you apply the sunscreen. Okay, but these ones, you should be curious about your skin type. Don't just buy. They should tell you about your skin type before using these products. If you're oily, get products which are suitable for your oily skin. If you're dry, the same. Combination, the same. Sensitive, the same. Sensitive skin should not use products that has alcohol. Should use products which are alcohol free. Then the skincare tip for today: people who are using retinol, please, you should not use retinol products regularly for better results, and they should be used during night. I talked about retinol. You should check out that video. So that's all about today. Wait for next part 2 where I talk about evening routine. Thank you.